Voltage van de Krekel. From a sibling to the Grand Prix stallion Aristoteles V. This colt was bred from a half-sister of the Grand Prix stallion Aristoteles V, with whom Jonathan McCrae earned $1.2 million in prize money. Voltage van de Krekel also shares his dam with the 155-level horse Fury V, ridden by Michel Hendricks. Grand Dam Tableau Vivant is also listed as the Grand Dam of the promising 8-year-old 1.45 m horse My Lady van de Krekel. The oldest offspring of sire, Corydon van T&L, have already reached 1.60 m level at the age of 10, such as Venio van het Keizersbos, Paulus L. and Peanuts van Boblo.